Hi students, good morning everyone. Now we are going to talk about Unit 2 B black elements. First, boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride. BF3 is a boron trifluoride. How to preparation of boron trifluoride? Preparation. Boron trifluoride is obtained. Boron trifluoride is obtained by the treatment of calcium fluoride. CaF2 is a calcium fluoride with boron trioxide in presence of concentration sulfuric acid. B2O3 is a boron trioxide, concentration sulfuric acid chemical name H2SO4. Boron trifluoride is obtained by the treatment of calcium fluoride with boron trioxide in the presence of concentration sulfuric acid to form boron trifluoride. BF3 and calcium sulfate and water molecules. Look, 2 molecules of boron, 3 molecules of oxygen, 2 molecules of boron and 2 molecules of fluorine converted to form boron trifluoride. 2 boron and 6 fluorine converted into 2 BF3. Next, 3 molecules of calcium and H2SO4 sulfide to form calcium sulfate. Remaining water molecule, 6 molecules of water and 3 molecules of hydrogen to form water molecules. Next, it can also be obtained by treating boron trioxide. It can also be obtained by treating boron trioxide with carbon and fluorine. Boron trioxide with carbon and fluorine to form boron trioxide plus carbon monoxide. In the laboratory, pure PF3 means boron trifluoride is prepared by the thermal decomposition of benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. Important question. In the laboratory, pure PF3 is prepared by the thermal decomposition of benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. C6H5N2BF4 is a benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. Thermal decomposition. The laboratory pure PF3 is prepared by the thermal decomposition of benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate to form pure BF3 and remaining C6H5F and nitrogen gas. Next, properties of BF3. Next one, properties of BF3. Boron trifluoride has a planar geometry. Boron trifluoride has a planar geometry. It is an electron deficient compound. Boron trifluoride is an electron deficient compound and accepts electron pairs to form coordinate covalent bonds. They form complex of the type BX4. Boron trifluoride react with ammonia to form BF3NH3. So this symbol is a coordinate covalent bond symbol. Why? Listen. Boron atomic number 5, valency 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 molecules of it is added. Fluorine is added 3F. Therefore, no valency. Ammonia is atomic number 7, valency 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 hydrogen is added, H and H. Remaining one lone pair atoms is remaining. The remaining lone pair atoms sharing boron. Therefore, to form coordinate covalent bonds. Listen, boron trifluoride has a planar geometry. It is an electron deficient compound and accepts electron pairs to form coordinate covalent bonds. They form complex of the type BX4 minus. BF3 react with ammonia to form coordinate covalent bond, and BF3 react with water to form coordinate covalent bond. On hydrolysis, boric acid is obtained. This then gets converted into hydrofluoroboric acid. BF3 boron trifluoride on hydrolysis H2O water, therefore hydrolysis to form boric acid. H3BO3 is a boric acid. To boric acid and remaining hydrofluoride is formed. Next, the boric acid and hydrofluoride to form H plus ions and BF4 minus ions and H3 9H2O. Listen, my dear students. BF3 is a boron trifluoride and hydrolysis of boron trifluoride to form boric acid and HF hydrofluoride. The boric acid and hydrofluoride and converted into H plus ion and BF4 minus ions and 9H2O. Okay, so listen. H3PO3, 4H3PO3, so 3H3PO3, remaining 1 H3PO3. 4 minus 3, 1. This is 4 molecules of H3PO3 as a boric acid and 3 molecules of H3PO3 is a boric acid. Therefore, 4 minus 3, 1. Remaining 1 boric acid. And listen, next 12HF. Cancel, 12HF cancel. 9H2O. See, 12H2O, 9H2O. Remaining 12 minus 9, 4. 4H2O. 4BF3 is added and 3H plus and 3BF4 and H3PO3. It's a 4H2O. Okay, students. Remaining 4BF3 and 4H2O converted to boric acid and H plus hydrofluoroboric acid. This is hydrofluoroboric acid. Next one, uses of boron trifluoride. First point, boron trifluoride is used for preparing HPF4, a catalyst in organic chemistry. HPF4 is a catalyst. The catalyst is in organic chemistry. It is also used as fluorinating reagent. Boron trifluoride is also used as a fluorinating reagent. Next one, aluminum chloride. Next one, aluminum chloride, AlCl3. AlCl3 is a aluminum chloride, chemical formula. So, preparation of aluminum chloride. When aluminum metal or aluminum hydroxide, say aluminum metal or aluminum hydroxide is treated with hydrochloric acid, aluminum trichloride is formed. Listen carefully. When aluminum metal or aluminum hydroxide is treated with hydrochloric acid to form aluminum trifluoride, the reaction which is evaporated to obtain hydrated aluminum chloride. Listen, this is aluminum metal reaction with hydrochloric acid to form aluminum chloride and hydrogen gas. Next, aluminum hydroxide and hydrochloric acid to form aluminum chloride and water molecule. It's a very important question, McAfee process. Aluminum chloride is obtained by heating a mixture of alumina and coke in a current of chlorine. Aluminum chloride and coke means carbon and chlorine molecules to form AlCl3. Al2O3 is alumina. Al2O3. Al2O3 is called alumina. And carbon is a coke and chlorine molecule to form aluminum chloride and carbon monoxide gas. On industrial scale, it is prepared by chlorinating aluminum. Chlorinating aluminum is aluminum reaction with chlorine molecule around 1000 Kelvin. Aluminum metal or aluminum metal reaction with chlorine molecule. This reaction is called chlorination. The chlorination of aluminum to around 1000 Kelvin temperature to form AlCl3. Next one, properties of aluminum chloride. Anhydrous aluminum chloride is colorless hygroscopic substance. An aqueous solution of aluminum chloride is acidic in nature. It also produces hydrogen chloride fumes in moist air. Listen, aluminum chloride reaction with water to form aluminum hydroxide and HCl gas. With aluminum hydroxide, it forms aluminum hydroxide. With aluminum hydroxide, it forms, with sodium hydroxide. Printing mistake. This is ammonium, right. This is with ammonium hydroxide. NH4OH, it forms aluminum hydroxide. AlCl3 aluminum chloride reaction with ammonium hydroxide, it forms aluminum hydroxide and ammonium chloride. AlCl3 and NaOH. AlOH tries and NH4Cl. The form AlOH tries and NH4Cl. With excess of sodium hydroxide, it produces metal aluminate. Excess of sodium hydroxide react with aluminum chloride to form sodium metal aluminate and water molecule and NaCl. It behaves like a Lewis acid and forms addition compounds with ammonia, phosphine and carbonyl chloride, etc. For example, AlCl3 then CH3. It behaves like Lewis acid and forms addition compounds ammonia, phosphine and carbonyl chloride, etc. Example, AlCl3 6NH3. Uses of aluminum chloride. Anhydrous aluminum chloride is used as a catalyst in Friedel-Crafts reactions. It is used for the manufacture of petrol by cracking the mineral oils. It is used as a catalyst in the manufacture on dyes and drugs and perfumes. Next one. It's a very important topic, alums. The name alum is given to the double salt of potassium aluminum sulfate. K2SO4 and Al2SO4 tries and 24H2O is called double salt. The double salt chemical name potassium aluminum sulfate. Nowadays it is used for all the double salts with general formula M single dot SO4, M double dot 2 SO4 tries and 24H2O. When M is univalent metal ion, NH4 plus and M double dot is trivalent metal ion. For example, potassium alum. The potassium alum chemical name K2SO4, Al2SO4 tries and 24H2O. So sodium alum chemical name Na2SO4, Al2SO4 tries and 24H2O. And ammonium alum NH4 twice and SO4 Al2SO4 tries and 24H2O. Chrome alum K2SO4 Cr2SO4 tries and 24H2O. Alum in general are more soluble in hot water than in cold water, and in solutions they accept the properties of constituent ions. Preparation of alums. The alum stone is the naturally occurring form and it is K2SO4. Al2SO4 tries and 4 AlOH tries. This is alum stone. When alum stone is treated, the chemical name is called alum stone. Alum stone is treated with excess of sulfuric acid. Like the alum stone treated with excess of sulfuric acid. Listen. This is called alum stone. H2SO4 called sulfuric acid. To form K2SO4, Al2SO4 tries aluminum sulfate, potassium sulfate and potassium sulfate and aluminum sulfate and H2SO4. Listen. When alum stone is treated with excess of sulfuric acid, the aluminum hydroxide is converted to aluminum sulfate. Listen, aluminum hydroxide converted into aluminum sulfate. Aluminum hydroxide converted into aluminum sulfate. A calculated quantity of potassium sulfate is added and the solution is crystallized to generate potassium alum. It is purified by recrystallization. K2SO4, Al2SO4 twice and plus 24 H2SO and the calculated quantity of K2SO4, other potassium sulfate is added and the solution is crystallized to generate potassium alum, to form potassium alum. K2SO4, Al2SO4 twice and 24 H2SO is called potassium alum. Next, properties of alums. Potassium alum is a white crystalline solid. It is soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. The aqueous solution is acidic. Due to the hydrolysis of aluminum sulfate, it melts 365 Kelvin on heating. At 475 Kelvin, loses water of hydration and swells up. The swollen mass is known as burnt alum. Heating to red hot, it decomposes into potassium sulfate, alumina and sulfur trioxide. Listen, this is called potassium alum. This is called potassium alum. Heated with 500 Kelvin temperature to potassium alum, 500 Kelvin temperature reduces of water. The reduces of water, the chemical formula heated with red hot to form potassium sulfate, alumina and sulfur trioxide. Listen carefully. It's a very, very important question. Potassium alum is a white crystalline solid and soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. The aqueous solution is acidic. Why? Due to the hydrolysis of aluminum sulfate. It melts 365 Kelvin on heating and 465 Kelvin losses of water. This is 475 Kelvin losses of water of hydration and swells up. The swollen mass is known as burnt alum. This is called burnt alum. The burnt alum heating to red hot, it decomposes potassium sulfate, alumina and sulfur trioxide. Potassium alum forms aluminum hydroxide when treated with ammonium hydroxide. Potassium alum when treated with ammonium hydroxide to form potassium sulfate, ammonium sulfate and water molecule and aluminum hydroxide. And uses of alum. It is used for purification of water. It is also used for waterproofing and textiles. It is used in dyeing, paper and leather tanning industries. It is employed as a stepatic agent to arrest bleeding. Students, watch this video 2 or 3 times so that you can understand the concept well. Today homework question is homework question in chemistry. 3 questions. First one, how to prepare aluminum chloride and write any 3 uses of alums and write properties of alums. Very important one, burnt alum. Okay. Here I give 3 questions for you. So you have to think and answer these questions. And write this question and answer 3 times in your homework note and also write this in your chemistry test note and send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you students. God bless you.